Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet a small snowflake like this. It only took me about 10 minutes to complete it. You can use many colors to make it like me. The method is quite simple. Beginners can also try it. Now let's do it together. I will use green yarn to guide you. I will use this yarn to wrap about 10 times around one finger. Once I have completed 10 rounds, I will bring this yarn to the back. Then I will insert the hook inside 10 rounds of yarn. Then bring the hook up to this yarn. We will pull this yarn through 10 rounds. Then I wrap one loop around the hook and pull it through the loop on the hook. This means we have just created a chain. Next, we will do 14 single crochet stitches into this hole. I have completed the first single crochet. I will use a marker to mark this first single crochet. We will continue to do the remaining 13 single crochets. Here we have 14 single crochets. Then we make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Next we do round 2. In round 2, we will repeat one pattern a total of 6 times. Now we will repeat the first time. First we do one bobble stitch. To create the bobble stitch, we need to take the yarn 6 times. Now, I will take the first yarn. We wrap one round around the hook. Then insert the hook into this hole. We continue to wrap one round around the hook and pull the yarn through. So we took the yarn for the first time. We continue to take the second yarn. We wrap one round around the hook. Then insert the hook into the same hole. We continue to wrap one round around the hook and pull the yarn through. Here I took the yarn for the second time. We continue to take the third yarn. Take the fourth yarn. take the fifth yarn. And take the sixth yarn. After taking enough 6 times of yarn, we continue to wrap one round around the hook. Then pull the yarn through all the loops on the hook. We just finished one bobble stitch. Next, we chain 1. I will use a marker to mark this first chain. Then we chain 4. Continuing, we work one single crochet in this marked first chain. And chain 4. We continue to do one single crochet in this first chain, in this hole. Then we chain 4. And we do one single crochet in same first chain. Next, we chain 2. I have finished the first repeat. Then we will need to repeat this pattern 5 more times. We will repeat this pattern for the second time. First, we do one bobble stitch. We need to take the yarn 6 times. I will take the first yarn. We continue to take the second yarn. Continue to take the third yarn. Take the fourth yarn. Take the fifth yarn. And take the sixth yarn. After taking enough 6 times of yarn, we continue to wrap one round around the hook. Then pull the yarn through all the loops on the hook. Here we got one bobble stitch. Then we chain 1. I also use a marker to mark this first chain. Next, chain 4. Then we do one single crochet in this marked first chain. Then we chain 4. We continue to do one single crochet in this first chain. And we chain 4. Next, we do one single crochet in same first chain. Then we chain 2. So I have completed the second repeat. Next, we will need to repeat this pattern 4 more times. I will see you after completing 6 reps. I completed 6 reps. Now, we will make a slip stitch into the first chain, above the first bobble stitch. Then we cut yarn. We use a yarn needle to hide the tail. Finally, I'm going to attach a keychain to this snowflake. You can use the same keychain as I did, or any keychain you have on hand.